This is a room with a fan in it. And it looks like they've got everything in the world stowed here, from golf clubs. It looks like another area that's under the house there. That's cool. Okay, we got the big fence out there. We've got golf clubs, everything in here. This is pretty amazing. And there's a big trimmer. Okay, we just came from the living area, and here we are going up the stairs. Okay, up the stairs.
Yeah, I'm going to back out.
Coming down. Say hi, Logan. Say hi. Hi. Say hi to Grandma Carol. Okay, up we go. Up we go. Here we are. The carpet's a little worn, but a little cleaning might help. Okay, we're up here. Oh boy, got a nice big closet there. Okay, looking over. Oh, we got a Stairmaster. Oh, we've got bed and we've got shoes. This is great. We got a bed. Okay, another closet there. This is a very small, tight room. In fact, you can see there's just almost no space here, but it opens out on the patio. The only problem is you can see onto the patio from the street out there as you're coming down the hill. Okay, but the louvers are here. So, oh, we have another bath. How interesting. I don't think this was listed because this may be part of the, it's very nice, very nice. Okay, yeah, tub and everything. Okay, this is very nice, very interesting. Okay, this is kind of fun. Okay, down we go.